Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve. You have a problem on your service on Tinder. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder, you have a problem on your server. You should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of Tinder and you will enter. When you find this page of app info, you will click on for stop and you click OK. Here we go to click on the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.